So let us see what this Sante has to offer over here in Bhumi campus. देखते हैं क्या क्या चीज़ें यहाँ पर हैं, क्या क्या यहाँ के लोग लेके आए हैं. So in my series of a different Bangalore, जो बेंगलोर को हम लोग जानते हैं कि एक IT सिटी है, सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया है, तो देयर आर अदर साइड्स ऑफ दिस सिटी ऑल्सो. और मेरे साथ ये हैं संध्या हैं जो कि भूमि से एसोसिएटेड हैं. तो लेट्स टॉक टू संध्या एंड नो अबाउट दिस. So Sandhya, hi, welcome to my channel.
Hello.
So can you just tell us briefly about what Bhumi is?
So I will talk about what Bhumi means to me.
Okay.
Because for me, in a bustling city, Bhumi it's an island of calmness and a beautiful and a safe space where people come together to, share energies. The Sante especially, which
what is Sante? What is Sante?
Sante basically means a market, right?
जिसे हम हिंदी में कह सकते हैं हाट होती है.
हाँ, कुछ
It's a
ऐसे
heart.
ही.
Okay.
Sante brings together farmers and producers with consumers, and believes that one must eat local, buy local, and support our producers and farmers as much as possible. When you buy at a store, very often we don't know who grows it, we don't know how long it's traveled, how far it's traveled to get to us. But when we come to the Sante, these are not transactions, but these are relationships. Some of us have been coming here from 2016, and we know the farmers as our friends. And often the conversations are not about how much is this, or what is the quality, or things like that, but they transcend those conversations and they become about how is your family, how is the produce this year, is the rain affecting you, and then they will show us newer varieties that are native, जिसे हमने देखी नहीं है बहुत सालों से या कभी भी नहीं देखी है. And that is so exciting, right? I get very excited with vegetables and staples, and it's so beautiful to have that relationship and to buy fresh and buy clean.
So Sandhya is going to take us around to this Sante. You call it Sante, na?
Yes, Bhumi Sante, welcome. So this is a space where we host multiple producers, farmers, and consumers who come in to get their weekly, fortnightly, fresh produce direct from the farmers and the producers.
Something I realize here in this part of Bhumi campus, you don't feel as if you are in the crowded city of Bangalore. Yeah, traffic jam hota hai.
It's a beautiful green space. The energies that come in here are actually so much calmer and so much more vibrant because of the nature that surrounds us completely, and people as they step into the space itself feel very, very centered and grounded.
Yeah.
This is from the farmers collective called Sahaja.
Okay.
And so they provide fresh, clean vegetables and fruits. We have farmers bringing, now it's the mango season, so we have multiple farmers bringing in mango into the Sante, and you can see that this is the sugar baby variety that you can actually just make curries and salads with.
We don't get it in Delhi.
It's very rare, yeah.
It's very rare. Yeah.
There is Ima here who promotes traditional games, and the kids and even adults love her stall.
Yeah.
You can see, she focuses on hand-eye coordination, brain function. All of our traditional games had so much of science behind it, and she loves to talk to children and parents about how to go back to the roots and stimulate the children through these games rather than gadgets. So this is Mahesh. Mahesh is coming from Pavgada, and he brings in mangoes every season. We see him on a seasonal basis because his farm is basically a mango tota, and he has multiple varieties, some of which are very, very traditional and nati. You don't tend to see them. A lot of it is already sold out. He had a huge crowd this morning.
So what is this you're holding in your hand?
lots of varieties of mangoes. So we can say like different size also, different colors also.
So you bought it for the colors, or
So it's tasty. It's very yummy.
you've tried it before?
Yeah, these two I tried. So,
These smaller ones. I'm
Yeah.
seeing it in Delhi. We don't see this smaller one
This
at
is
all.
called chakra
Chakra.
kuti. Chakra kuti. Kuti means small.
Kuti means yeah, that I know. Oh, that's very good. I'm tempted to buy them for myself. Okay.
You can see here some traditional cookware
Yes.
products for the Indian kitchen, going back to our roots. Some personal care products. So,
Oh, knives and everything. Yeah.
Karuna comes from his farm bringing all the beautiful, fresh, clean, chemical free vegetables. So we see some very interesting, produce. For example, this is a root and
What is it called?
Mudavattukal Karangu, right? Mudavattukal Karangu. It is a Tamil word.
Okay.
But this is essentially a root that you just peel off and use the center of the root to make a soup. And it is great for bone health. Yeah, and it promotes basically bone health. And if you have pains as well, drinking the soup on a regular basis helps you with, strengthening your bones. So, these are some things that we've
Yeah,
never
we
seen
don't
in
see it
our
in- yeah.
modern stores,
Yeah.
right? And these farmers not only bring the produce, but they also educate us on some of these benefits and, medicinal benefits of these cleaners that are chemical free. We don't know what we're putting in our drains anymore. We don't think about it too much. हम बस हारपिक और ये जो भी है खरीद लेते हैं. But the long-term implications of those is that they go and join our soil and our water bodies, which can get contaminated, and it comes back to affect us through our food. Jiva Bhumi is another collective, and they have all kinds of staples that one might need. You can see that it is all in bulk, and one doesn't need to buy in plastic packet.
Yeah.
If you tell them what quantities you want, they will pack it and give it to you. Jessie is from Kempoti Estate, and she has some very unique products that they grow on their estate. And, traditional things like chundakai, which get dried and can be saved and used, which have medicinal benefits as well. And of course, her cocoa products, both the cocoa beans that you can make chocolates with, and now they have chocolates as well.
Oh, you have chocolates
So they
also.
have craft chocolate, which is made from cocoa grown on their farm. So this is like literally, end-to-end product, right? Yeah, with jaggery. So, then when you come in and talk to some of the farmers and producers, you get recipe ideas. You start exchanging
Yeah.
what kind of foods you can make from it. Let me now take you to the workshops that also happen at the Sante. This is our Namaskara. This is our weaver Anna at Prakriya, who's doing a workshop today on weaving. So children and adults can come in and participate.
So what are they making?
Suresh Anna, heli avrge.
Mat making.
Mat making.
Mat.
Okay.
This is the highlight of our Sante, because one needs to do Pet Puja also, but differently. So if you look at the menu, there are different kinds of food offerings that one can come and enjoy.
Yeah.
I'll take you to the kitchen, and I'll also show you. They'll be making jola roti inside, which is the traditional millet roti that is made by hand, especially a popularity in North Karnataka. Akka, namaste. Namaste.
So we have Rama over here. नमस्कार. आप क्या खा रहे हो? क्यों आज घर पे नहीं बना रहे? मतलब इसका मौका कि घर पे काम ना करना पड़े.
आप देखो जैसे.
What are you having, Rama?
Reva.
What are you having, Reva?
I'm not having.
अच्छा.